Evening, Cardinal families. Thank you for joining us tonight. While this year may not look like a traditional one, I am thrilled to be welcoming your children back to school. On Thursday, August 6th, the Melvindale Northern Allen Park Board of Education agreed that we should move forward to plan for full online learning to start the school year. We all want to get our students back to school buildings, but we know that we need to prioritize the safety of our students and staff. COVID-19 has changed our lives, but we can and will make the best of it. While our learning will begin online, our teams have worked through the summer developing viable curriculum through online learning platforms that will provide engaging and challenging learning experiences for our students. Unlike the spring online experience, this fall is not optional for your students. All classwork and attendance will be required and counted towards their overall grades. The responsibility of educating your children is awesome, but as we begin the school year through remote learning, demands and complexities of teaching children increase. It becomes more evident that we all need to work together to ensure that our children reach their potential. During today's open house, we're going to go over several key components for this school year. We'll start with the student learning expectations and how parents can help support their children to be successful online learning experience. Then we'll get into the student schedule and where you can find that. Once you know your schedule, you can match your classes with your online schedule. We will then go over social emotional support and how to stay up to date with any school news during this year. Throughout the school year, students, you will be expected to dedicate appropriate time to learning, which is comparable to the school day as guided by your teacher. You need to check appropriate online platforms for information on assignments and resources daily. You also need to attend regular synchronous or live online classes offered by each of your teachers. And you must communicate any absences when possible. You need to identify a comfortable and quiet space to study and learn. Engage in all learning posted with academic honesty. You need to submit all assignments in accordance with provided due dates. And you need to ensure your own social and emotional balance by keeping healthy habits. Parents, we really could use your support too. There are some things I'd like to cover that could help support your students' learning. First, you could designate a space where your child will work independently on their assignments. You also can help make sure that your child attends class each day and logs in on time and completes all their assigned work. We'd also like you to monitor their Google Classroom updates and be sure to check in with your child daily about the distance learning tasks, activities, and assignments they will be working on. Now I'd like to discuss both the master schedule and how it relates to your students' remote learning schedule. Research shows that middle school students should not spend more than 3 hours of day in direct instruction. Research also shows that students need a social emotional component built into their day. While this schedule may look complicated at first, it accommodates for all state and federal guidelines of learning and supports your child's needs. Once you know your students' master schedule, students will need to match it up to their virtual online schedule. You can access your student's schedule and assign teachers through Student and Parent Connect. To view your schedule, students will log in using their student ID and password. This is a copy of your student's weekly remote learning schedule. It aligns with our traditional schedule and allows students to still take all of their classes they would have during face-to-face instruction. This is how a full 6-period schedule will look. Students will virtually attend all 6 periods over the course of 2 days. Students will attend first, second, and third period on Monday and Wednesdays, and fourth, fifth, and sixth periods on Tuesdays and Thursdays. All students will be required to attend advisory 5 days a week from 8:30 a.m. to 8:55 a.m. During advisory, we will do wellness checks, PBIS activities, behavior and academic monitoring, and mentoring, and discuss the day's schedule before they begin their academic journey. After advisory on Monday, students will attend their first, second, and third periods within a 90-minute block for each class. Within each 90-minute block, students will have either full group, direct instruction, independent work time, and small group as needed. No student will receive direct instruction for more than 45 minutes during each block. Tuesdays will follow the same format, but students will attend 4th, 5th, and 6th periods. The focus on Friday's schedule is for teachers to gauge the social, emotional, and academic progress of each student. Office hours have been built into the schedule throughout the week. During those times, teachers are available to answer any question students or parents may have to offer academic assistance for any student. Your child's social emotional well-being is of great concern to us, and we will take every measure to address any concern that comes to our attention. Within the first few weeks of school, every student will be screened to assess their wellness level. At that time, services and resources to support your child's social emotional well-being will be made available to you. Strong Middle School staff will be providing social emotional learning activities throughout the school year. The district also has a mental health page as well as family resource page on the district website under Family, filled with resources for students and families. Communication is key. Please feel free to contact our school counselor, our social workers, if your child has any social emotional concerns or if they need additional resources. Textbook pickup is scheduled for September 9th and 10th for all Strong Middle School students. To maintain social distancing, we will utilize our extended driveway. Without leaving your vehicles, textbooks will be handed to students during their scheduled times. Specific times and dates will be provided to you and your students during the first week of scheduled virtual classes. To help expedite the process, please have your child's ID available. It is our desire to keep you informed and provide you with various communication tools to keep an open and timely line of communication. Please take the opportunity to sign up for these provided platforms, which are included in your welcome back packets. Your students' teachers will provide you additional ways, options you can communicate directly with them. This information and video will be provided for you via our school website, social media, Remind, and sent out through email. Thank you all for attending the Strong Middle School Virtual Open House. We appreciate your support and look forward to working with you throughout the school year.